To set up a lock screen in OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to move down and select security and privacy options. Now you should see a set screen lock right here, but if not, then just go down and find the device unlock. Select it and then go for your screen lock. Now you can choose between three different security options. We have numeric, which allows you to enter between 4 up to 16 digits, or alphanumeric, which allows you to enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. There's also a pattern, and I'm gonna go with this one. Now you can read through important notice. Make sure to remember your screen lock, as it's pretty hard to recover your phone afterwards. So I'm gonna set up the pattern like this. And then we can also enable a fingerprint unlock for fast unlock of our phone. But that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.